Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to speak to you about a very special individual, a person who has stood by us in times of thick and thin, in times of joy and sorrow, a person who has been a constant source of motivation and inspiration. That individual is Mr. Hope. Mr. Hope is not just a feeling or an emotion. He is the state of mind. A state of mind that reminds us that regardless of the challenge we have, regardless of the struggles we face, we can always find a way to get through it. Mr. Hope is the one who speaks in our ears, saying, "Don't give up." He is the one who tells grab our hands when we are trekking through the blackness of horizon. He is the bright light that awaits us at the end of the tunnel. Without Mr. Hope, we are lost and stranded. We will be filled with fears and insecurity. But we can overcome any challenge that happens to us when we have Mr. Hope holding our hands. Consider this. When did you last feel like quitting? Perhaps it was taking a hard exam, playing a difficult game of sports, or working on a challenging project. But then, something within you just snapped. You recall that you had the option to choose to stick with it and to triumph over. That Mr. Hope in action. He's the one saying, keep going, push on, and believe in yourself. He's the one who tells you that every time you are knocked down, it's a chance for a comeback. So, we must cling into him forever. Let us love and care for him. Let us share his belief in optimism and positivity with brother around us. As students, we encounter a lot of challenge daily. We battle with homework, with friendships, and with our doubt about ourselves. But with Mr. Hope as our guide, we can conquer anything. Thank you, Mr. Hope, for being our only beacon of guidance. Thank you for being our hope. Thank you for reminding us that we are strong, we are capable, and we can be resilient. Let us have Mr. Hope, peace and him forever. Let us integrate him into our daily routines, our mindsets, and our actions. Thank you very much and good evening.
Thank you, Joshua, our Mr. Hope.